Okay everyone, let's go ahead and cover the factory reset of a Pico 4. So basically you're going to hit the volume down button and the power button at the same time. And you keep holding it until you're ready there. So just let's see here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and power it on because I have it turned off, but you just see if we, okay. Now, oops. Okay, let's try again. Okay, you see the, okay, and what you can do is you go down to recovery mode, you select recovery mode, and then you hit the power button, and then it boots into recovery. And then you press the power button and the volume up button at the same time, and it'll get you in there. And then you just click down to factory reset, and that's how you do it. My battery's like completely dead on this thing, so oh, here it is, dead thing. Okay, just press the power button and volume up at the same time. I think that's how you do it. I didn't read the instructions. There we go. Power button and up at the same time. That's what I thought. Then you just go down to whatever you need to reset, and then hit the power button to select it. And that's how you factory reset a Pico 4. I'm not going to reset mine. I just wanted to show you guys that. My nice Pico headset. But that's how you factory reset. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully it's helpful. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.